conditioning your clients. All right, it's Gregory Martire, local mentor and coach of real estate. How to be a realtor. Welcome to our channel. Please hit subscribe. We're talking about conditioning our clients. Now, look, our clients are not Pavlov's dog, okay? But it's sort of like that. We want to preempt. We want to explain and explain what's happening in real estate land. What's going on? We need to condition them. We need to let our clients know the worst and the best cases in all scenarios. Is it super important that they understand that their agreement of sale may not get accepted? Yes. Are your sellers, must they be aware that they may not get an offer on every showing? Absolutely. So condition your folks with the good, the bad, and the indifferent. The good, the bad, the ugly. Tell it like it is. This way, they're not going to be surprised when it takes 10 to 20 showings to get a viable offer. They're not going to be surprised or shocked when they offered $10,000 less and wanted a seller's assist and didn't get their offer accepted. Condition your clients. Have a great day, everybody. It's Gregory Martire, local coach, mentor, real estate friend.